What is web analytics and how to earn for beginners? Let's go know about this topic. Web analytics is the process of collecting, analyzing, and interpreting data related to a website and its users. It involves the measurement, collection, analysis, and reporting of web data to understand and optimize web usage. The primary goal of web analytics is to help website owners and administrators make informed decisions to improve the performance and user experience of their websites. Here are some key aspects of web analytics. Data collection. Web analytics tools, such as Google Analytics, collect data about website visitors, their behavior, and interactions on the site. This data includes information like the number of visitors, pages viewed, time spent on the site, and more. Analysis. Analyzing the collected data helps identify patterns, trends, and areas for improvement. It can provide insights into user preferences, popular content, and the effectiveness of marketing campaigns. Reporting. Web analytics tools generate reports that summarize key metrics and trends. These reports help stakeholders, such as website owners, marketers, and developers, understand how well the website is performing and where improvements can be made. Optimization. Based on the insights gained from web analytics, website owners can make informed decisions to optimize their websites. This might involve tweaking content, improving user experience, or adjusting marketing strategies to enhance overall performance. Now, if you're looking to earn as a beginner in the field of web analytics, here are some steps to consider. Learn the basics. Familiarize yourself with the fundamentals of web analytics. Understand key metrics, terminology, and the purpose of different reports. Gain practical experience. Create a website or work on an existing one to apply your knowledge. Practical experience is crucial in understanding how web analytics works in real-world scenarios. Use analytics tools. Get hands-on experience with popular web analytics tools such as Google Analytics. Many of these tools offer free or trial versions, making it accessible for beginners. Online courses and certifications. Consider taking online courses or certifications in web analytics. Platforms like Google Analytics Academy offer free courses that can help you build a strong foundation. Build a portfolio. Showcase your skills by creating a portfolio that highlights your understanding of web analytics. Include examples of how you've used analytics to make data-driven decisions. Networking. Connect with professionals in the field, join relevant online communities, and participate in discussions. Networking can provide valuable insights, opportunities, and mentorship. Stay updated. The field of web analytics is dynamic, with tools and best practices evolving over time. Stay updated with industry trends, changes in analytics tools, and new techniques. Freelance or internship opportunities. Look for freelance projects or internships to gain practical experience and build a portfolio. This hands-on experience can be valuable when seeking more significant opportunities. Remember that proficiency in web analytics is a valuable skill in various roles, including digital marketing, data analysis, and website optimization. Continuous learning and practical application will contribute to your success in this field.